You can actually walk from Salzburg main train station straight into Palace Gardens, across a historic old town, and end with Mozart cake, all without ever needing a car. All right, we're here in Salzburg, Austria. We are having a great time, Julie and I. We're getting ready to go on a journey, on an adventure here in Salzburg, Austria.
Mirabell Gardens. If you love discovering Europe's one walk at a time, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you never miss where we wander next.
Julie and I are here today in Salzburg, Austria. We're getting ready to have lunch and a delicious dessert today.
Yep, we're here at Joanne.
Hold it up for them.
Okay.
All right. Let's go through it, through the menu.
Okay, so
Just scan through it there.
all right.
Scan through, so we have Vienna. Vienna. Let's look at the dish today. That's the breakfast. That's the sweets. And so we ordered the cordon bleu
Okay, well,
and the Vienna fried chicken. And we're gonna have some type of dessert. Okay.
okay, let's see.
All right. Looking good.
Looking good. Those are the soups.
All right. And got some goulash.
Yep.
There we are right there. Cordon bleu. And we want the Vienna fried chicken.
And take a look at their desserts. They're lovely desserts. Okay.
Okay, very delicious. The cordon bleu is excellent. Also, the Vienna fried chicken is very good. And I like the potatoes.
I'm having some salad, which looks like it's pumpkin seeds that's on this salad, and potatoes. Also, there is pork cordon bleu and Vienna fried chicken. Tastes wonderful.
Tastes delicious.
Well, the cordon bleu and the fried chicken was delicious. And as you can see, I loved it. This is Mozart cake. And we are going to have dessert here. And this is something that looks delicious.
All right.
It is soft. It is delicious.
Very good. Today wasn't about rushing inside museums or chasing ticket lines. It was about walking through palace gardens, over bridges, along cobblestone streets, and ending with a perfect slice of Mozart cake. This is Salzburg on foot. The walk everyone skips, and the one you'll never forget.
If you enjoyed discovering Salzburg by foot, subscribe to Slow Stop Travel here, because every stop has a story, and the next one is already waiting.